Did you know that an estimated over 850 million people worldwide are affected by different kinds of kidney diseases? As you know, our kidneys are like our body's natural filters. They help clean our blood by getting rid of extra or toxic stuff in our blood. But when kidney function is degraded, maybe due to an unhealthy diet and lifestyle, it can seriously affect their ability to filter blood and eliminating toxins from our body. But don't worry, because in today's episode, we'll learn about some of the healthiest foods that can really help to cleanse your kidneys. Without any further delay, let's begin. Number 1. Onion. Onions contain a compound called quercetin, which acts as an antioxidant, protecting your body's cells from the harmful effects of free radicals. This kind of protective effect can also be very healthy for your kidneys. Quercetin also has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it helps reduce inflammation in the body, including the kidneys. This can help your kidneys work more efficiently in filtering out toxins and extra fluids from your body. And lastly, quercetin also has mild diuretic properties, which means it makes you pee more. This can further speed up the cleansing process of your kidneys. So how about having onions in your daily diet, even if it's just once a day? Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is like a 2-in-1 package of both citric acid and acetic acid. Citric acid helps prevent certain types of kidney stones by binding to calcium in the urine, which can reduce your risk of developing kidney stones, especially the ones made up of calcium oxalate. The acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar helps you manage your blood sugar levels. High blood sugar can cause the blood vessels in the kidneys to become narrower and thicker. This can excessively strain your kidneys and can even damage your kidneys' ability to filter blood. So with apple cider vinegar's help, you can reduce your risk of developing kidney disease and can even improve your overall health. You can easily include apple cider vinegar in your daily routine by simply sprinkling it on your salads, beans, and fish. Number 3. Carrots. Carrots are rich in many antioxidants, including phytonutrients, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, which is a precursor to vitamin A. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, including your kidneys, leading to healthier kidney function. Carrots are also a good source of potassium. Potassium helps maintain a healthy balance of electrolytes in your body, which is essential for your kidney function and overall health. Potassium also has a tendency to counterbalance extra calcium in your body. This can reduce the concentration of calcium in your urine, leading to a lower risk of developing calcium-based kidney stones. And lastly, potassium also helps your blood vessels to relax, leading to healthy blood pressure. And as you may know, high blood pressure can seriously damage your kidneys and can even cause kidney failure if it gets too high. So if you want a very healthy snack that can also help to cleanse your kidneys, carrots are a pretty good option. Number 4. Watermelon. Did you know that watermelon is almost 90% water? This water is like a drink for your body, and it's really good at keeping you hydrated. Staying hydrated is super important for your kidneys because it helps them produce more urine, making them better at their job of removing waste and unpleasant stuff from your blood. Having more water and less concentration of salts also prevents your kidneys from getting too strained while filtering them. Watermelon is also a great source of vitamin C and lycopene, both of which have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So they kind of protect your kidneys from harmful free radicals and repair your kidneys if they're already inflamed or damaged. Not just that, but watermelon is also naturally high in citrulline, an amino acid that your body uses to make arginine. Arginine supports overall better health of your blood vessels, while helping to keep your blood pressure in a healthy range. This too can reduce the risk of kidney damage from high blood pressure. Number 5. Oats. Oats may not directly cleanse our kidneys, but they can actually help in an indirect way. Oats are full of a special kind of fiber called soluble fiber. When you eat them, this fiber dissolves in the water and makes a gluey substance in your tummy. That thing causes a slow release of sugar from your gut to your bloodstream, preventing it from causing sudden sugar spikes. And as I said before, high sugar levels put an extra strain on your kidneys. Not just that, the fiber content of oats also helps to keep your blood pressure in check. Plus, they contain magnesium and potassium. Magnesium helps relax your blood vessels, and potassium helps balance out the effects of salty stuff, which again helps keep your blood pressure in control. So if you are looking for foods to cleanse your kidneys, oats can be a great option. You can enjoy them as oatmeal for breakfast, toss them into smoothies, or even use them to make tasty granola bars at home. Number 6. Dates. You can think of dates as natural sweeteners to satisfy your sweet tooth. They're a good replacement for added sugars, which are not great for your kidneys. And when your kidneys are in good shape, they can better work as a natural cleanser for your body. Dates also contain antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, giving them protective effects against harmful free radicals. And lastly, dates are rich in many essential nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. I've already told you about potassium and magnesium. As for vitamin B6, well, it has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help repair your kidneys from inflammation or other kind of damage. You can enjoy dates in so many yummy ways. They can be put into milkshakes, date cakes, and even tasty puddings. Number 7. Cucumbers. Cucumbers naturally have a lot of water in them, almost 95% of their weight, giving them a juicy, cool, and refreshing touch. This water content helps you stay hydrated, which is super important for your kidneys. Plus, they are naturally low in sodium, making them a healthy snack option. Cucumbers are also a great source of vitamin C, beta-carotene, flavonoids, and tannins, all of which are powerful antioxidants and help protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. And lastly, cucumbers also contain soluble fiber, which, as I said before, helps in better digestion and manage your blood sugar. Number 8. Beets. Beets have special compounds called betalains that help our body's natural detoxification processes. Basically, detoxification in our body happens in 2 phases. Phase 1 involves transforming toxins into less harmful substances, which is mainly done by our liver. While Phase 2 involves further converting these substances into water-soluble compounds so that they can be eliminated through urine or bile. Betalains in beets help in this stage of detoxification, mainly by forcing them out of your body via kidneys. Another thing is that beets are full of nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide inside your body. Nitric oxide makes your blood vessels relaxed, keeping the blood flow smooth, which is like a boost for your kidneys. Some studies even show that the nitrates in beets help prevent kidney stones from forming, making them one of the best foods to cleanse your kidneys. You can enjoy beets in many different ways, like making beet juices or just eating beet slices as snacks. Number 9. Water. Okay guys, I know water isn't food, but it's super important. Always respond to your thirst signals and drink plenty of water whenever you feel thirsty. This helps keep your blood thinner, making it less likely to develop high concentrations of salts and sugars, and easier for your kidneys to filter toxic and extra stuff from your body. And what about tea? A favorite for about 90% of people worldwide. Well, there's also a tip for you guys. Go for herbal teas like green tea, peppermint tea, and chamomile tea. They generally contain a lot of antioxidants and are usually prepared with warm water, which also helps you stay hydrated. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.